It's Meso, y'all. Come on into my kitchen. I'm waiting on you. Today we're going to be making a delicious summertime vegetable potato salad. Let's take a look. Tell me how you like it. Don't that good? Same potato salad under a different lighting. So good. Let's take a look. I've already gotten started. I have peeled and boiled 5 large white potatoes. I've let them drain and now I'm going to get them into this bowl. I've got some sweet pickle relish. And I'm going to get some right down in this bowl with the potatoes. And yeah, you see right. I have some steamed vegetables here. 1 10-ounce package. I steamed them in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Here I have some chopped up onions and some chopped up green bell peppers. Get them right down in this bowl. This dish is so easy and so good, y'all. Yellow mustard. Go on and get that in. Not a little, but a lot. Don't worry, because I'm going to give you the exact, precise measurements in the description box. Some Duke's mayonnaise. Oh yeah, gotta be Duke's if you're going to make potato salad in the South. Gotta be Duke's. Any other mayonnaise just might not respect my potato salad. Let's get that in here. This is a recipe that I actually got from a Brazilian friend of mine. Very good. I've been making this for years since she showed me how to do it. This looks like a lot of salt, but it's a tablespoon and a half, and you might need a little bit more. Remember, we've got a lot of potatoes there. That's onion powder, baby. Onion powder. And I'm coming right back with some black pepper. Why, you ask? Why me? So why you use black pepper? Because I like black pepper. I like black pepper, don't you? And some parsley flakes, baby, because we want it to be pretty. I like pretty eating. Pretty eating. And this is sugar. This is about 1/4 cup of sugar. And I have here some diced pimentos. You want to drain them and then get them right into your bowl. We're trying to put everything in before we start to stir because we want soft potatoes and we don't want to stir it a whole lot to make them become mashed potatoes, but at the same time we don't want hard potatoes. Hard potatoes, your seasonings will sit right on top of those potatoes, and when you bite in them it won't be seasoned on the inside. If your potatoes are warm, still warm, and then soft, those seasonings are going to soak down into those potatoes, and every mouthful is going to be a delectable, delicious, wonderful feeling and taste in your mouth, baby. So it's your responsibility to get all these spices in. I forgot my garlic, so I'm coming back with my garlic powder. What would this be without garlic? And a little bit of cayenne, baby, because we're not trying to make this hot, but we certainly wanted to have a little kick. Mixing it for the second time. Get it all together. Looking and smelling good. I think we can go ahead now and get this bowled up. Let's get ready to serve some of this. I want you to see what I got. You tell me, did it turn out right? Oh, looky. Look at that. You can take this to a picnic, to a barbecue, to a Sunday dinner, to everyday spread, to every day on your table. It'll work out anywhere. You can serve this to anybody. Look at that. They'll be like, what's going on with this potato salad? It's good. A little bit different. You see the peas and the carrots and the green beans. Now, I have sprinkled this with paprika and a little bit of parsley flakes on the top. But looky. Look at that. Look at that. I've gone ahead and bowled some up. Got it in this bowl because I want you to see it close up. Look at that. Now this lighting, it looks a little bit lighter. This potato salad is yellow. Somebody wants me to taste it. I hear somebody say, Meso, where's your fork? Here it is, baby. I'm going to taste it. I need to get some of these beans, peas, carrots. Come on, Meso. Y'all look at that. You can have the first bite if you want it. If you can get it before me. That is good. Let me get another mouthful. Oh yeah. Come on. Okay. I want to show you it served up for dinner. I have put this with some ham. Potato salad goes wonderfully with ham. But this is a star of the show, this potato salad. Look at it, y'all. So good. Now this ham, if you're interested in making that, I have this on my channel also. Just put in Meso making it and put in ham. I have several of them on there. But this is my honey butter glazed ham. I believe her name is Miss Dixie. Go take a look at it. But back to this potato salad. Now I know how it tasted in the bowl, but it might not taste quite the same on the plate. So I got to taste it for you again. Because I want you to believe and know that this potato salad is good. What do y'all think? It's going to taste the same? Still good? Really good. Triple 100. I thank y'all for coming by. Thank you for checking on me. You wanted to see what I was doing today, but you knew Meso would be throwing down. I hope that I did not disappoint. If you like my videos, share them. Wherever you're active on social media, and give me a big old thumbs up. The bigger the better. Share my videos with wherever you're active. Facebook, with your friends, your family, your relatives, your co-workers. Wherever you can, you'll help me out a lot. Hit the notification bell so that every time I put up a video, you will be notified. Guys, there's a lot going on in the world today. What's a foodie to do? Well, we're all in this together. So let's just try to listen more, learn more, love more, and pray more. Whatever you do, share a little food with somebody. Share a little love. Hey guys, I appreciate you. Love you. Bye-bye.